Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance, and I thank you for coming back each and every time to watch this video. Thank you for your beautiful comments. This next dance I'm going to teach you is called Do Right. It's a 4-wall dance. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the instructional, but if you're interested in dancing along to this line dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Are you ready? And let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room. So I want you to stand on this side of the room looking in this direction. So your first step is to walk forward, right, left, and shuffle right, left, right, left, right, left. So you walk up, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, and walk right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, I do see some people that walk right, left, dip right, dip left, okay? So I'm following kind of like the choreographer, okay? So you walk up right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, you're going to rock up, recover, turn back with a triple step. Right, left, right, making a half turn. You're going to complete that rotation with another triple step. Left, right, left, coming back to your wall. Now, if you don't want to turn, you're going to go rock up, recover, triple, right, left, triple, left, right, left. That's the modification if you don't want to turn back, okay? But when you rock up, you can recover, you do a triple step. Right, left, right, half turn with the right shoulder coming back, left shoulder go forward, another triple, left, right, left. That's a half turn. So let's add that. I'm going to do it first with the turn and then second without the turn. Let's walk up and shuffle right, shuffle left. 5, 6, 7, and walk right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Rock up, recover, turn. 1, 2, 3, left, 1, 2, 3. We back at this wall. The weight is on the left. Okay, now let's do it without the turn. Walk it up. 5, 6, 7, and walk right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Rock, rock, recover, right, left, right, left. To add on, you sit back on the right and sit back on the left. Okay, so we're going to add that. So we're going to rock up, recover, right, left, sit back on the right, sit back on the left. Okay, from the top, 5, 6, 7, walk it up. Right, left, left, rock up, recover, triple, right, left, sit back on the right, back on the left. Let me give you, I'm going to do it again without the turn, and then I'll come back and give you the count. 5, 6, 7, walk it up. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the count without the turn. Now let's do the count with the turn. 5, 6, 7, walk it up. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, triple 1 and 2, triple 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, adding on. You go out and up on the right, out and up, and twist the heels to the right. Do a fan. So, out and up, fan. Fan the heels to the right. Fan. 5, 6, 7, fan. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, fan. 5, 6. Then we're going to go out and up on the right again. Out and up. We're going to walk right, left. Quarter turn, right, left. Then walk back 4 times. Right, left, did I do? Out and up, out and up, out and up, and fan the heels to the right, out and up in the right, out and up. Don't come down. When you come down, walk forward. Right, left, quarter turn to the right, right, left. Then walk back 4 times. Right, left, left. End the dance. Let's do that again, out and up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Out and up, right, left. Quarter turn, right, left. Walk back 4 times. Right, left, left. From here, the dance starts over, walking up, right, left. So, let's put it all together. First time we're going to do it with the turn. Second time we're going to do it without the turn. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Walk it up. 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6. Rock 7, 8. Turn 1 and 2. Turn 3 and 4. Sit back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2. Turn 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Let's do it again. So this time I'm going to do it without the turn. All right? So 5, 6, 7. Walk it up. 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Rock 7, 8. It's 1 and 2. Left 3 and 4. Sit back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost forgot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up 1, 2. Turn 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do that again. Okay? Without the turn. Walk it up again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Rock 7, 8. It's 1 and 2. Left 3 and 4. Sit back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, up 8. It's 1, 2. Turn 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Let's do it again from a different wall, a different view. Same footwork. So walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock and cover. 5. I walked up 4 times. There's 2 walks in the shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Left 5 and 6. Rock 7, 8. Half 1 and 2. Half 3 and 4. Sit back. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up 1, 2. Turn 3, 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Do right. That's the name of the dance. Do right. Let's dance together. Make sure you leave me a comment, you subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. Do right. I'll put the dance along. Let's dance together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.